Welcome guys, so we are in the journey of being Excel Pro experts actually. So I'll show you how to create a custom tab here. For instance, I have Arnold here on my right. I have some customized commands using macros. So I'll show you today how to create this customized tab as a ribbon in your Excel. So let us get things on our way by clicking File, then you go down to Options button. There you go to Customize Ribbon. Bingo, there you are. On your right you have some varieties of tabs here. So I have Arnold here, which is at the bottom because it's the last one in my Excel. So upon creating, you're required to create here, from here, new tab. Okay, see, it appears the custom one is there with the grouping itself. So you just go here on top of it. You can rename it because I'll try to keep it. I'll use my surname, Kilaini. Then bingo, okay, you have it here already. So upon clicking, okay, it will appear, but it won't have the contents that you want. So for instance, let's see how it works. Okay, it has here Kilaini. So when I click upon Kilaini, nothing here. So if I want to add some of my first commands, that means I'll go back again to my options and again customize ribbon. Then here on Kilaini, here at the bottom now, I'll add now. For instance, I want to add fill color. You see? Then I'll push it over there. Then I want to add, maybe make sure you're in popular commands here. Maybe I want to add paste here, and I'll push it on the right. You see, it appears. Make sure it is under the Kilaini tab. Then for instance, maybe I want to add, anyway, superscript. If you're a mathematician or you use a lot of formulas, and bingo, there you are. So upon clicking OK, now my Kilaini has fill color, paste, and superscript. So instead, sometimes you might be working here, like for instance, you have an entire Excel, you want to browse in different tabs. Instead of finding where these commands are, you just know that in Kilaini there is fill color here. I'll fill color here, for instance, green. Then the same applies. Then I'll put here red or blue. Bingo, that's it. Hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe the video because I'm going to make you a very good and successful Excel Pro. Thank you.